This exercise is standing hip flexions, which works your hip flexors. Use your chair for balance, and all we're going to do is lift up and down. Lift and down. So try and keep the pelvis as stable as you can. Think about your upper body posture. Keep those shoulders back and relaxed. Lift and lower. So if you need to hold on to the chair or a wall or anything else that's suitable nearby, that's fine. This one also works seated. So I'm going to ask you to keep going if that's comfortable for you. If it isn't, you could just come into your chair and just lift and lower there and get a similar workout, but obviously you're not going to be challenging the muscles around your pelvis, some of the smaller muscles, which would also help with your balance. So go with whichever version you need to challenge yourself, but keeping everything under control. We want to be just keeping it in control, challenging ourselves just enough to make our bodies stay at least as good as they are now, and ideally to improve and get stronger. One more each side if you can. Don't worry if you can't, that's fine. Go with what your body's telling you today and shake it out.